Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my August 2023 Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing. And this also has my Boost product because I subscribe to all the possible subscriptions I can through Ipsy. I used to get all of the Ipsy and Boxycharm, so it transitioned to Boxycharm plus Boost if you had, oh my gosh, it hasn't even been that long and I can't even remember, one of the other upgraded Boxycharm boxes. So let's go ahead and get into this August unboxing here. Oh, and I did already get my August 2023 icon box for the month, and that unboxing video is up here on my YouTube channel. And I think it ended up being a fantastic box. So I'm hoping that my Boxycharm box will be just as good, if not better. So let's go ahead and find out. Ooh. The product information is similar to the icon box, like this kind of newspaper article style. It doesn't have actually the product information though. Oh well. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of products in here, but it is supposed to be 5 products plus the Boost would be my 6th, but I also may have some points products in here. So let's go ahead and find out. So the first product, okay, yes, I do remember this is the product that I chose for my Boost product. It's from the brand Dermalect. It's the Revitalite Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. So the Boost product options that at least I had to choose from were mostly skincare, and that's not my favorite type of product to get. So I tried to choose something that I thought I'd actually use, and I definitely struggle with dark circles. So this is what I went for. I've tried out maybe a few other products from this brand before, Dermalect, and it's definitely a pricey brand. So here's my Boost product. The next product here from Ciate London, I feel like every month I'm saying, oh, I always get Ciate London in my beauty subscriptions. So saying that again here. This time I got the Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. Ooh, I've been getting a lot of setting powders. Yeah, I got the Toy Factory setting powder in my icon box. So 2 setting powders this month, but I do love trying out setting powders, and the Watermelon Burst line from Ciate London is a great line. I've really enjoyed all the other products I've tried out from this line. So I'll be trying that out in a dedicated review video, also here on my YouTube channel, where I have a makeup review series. So that's what I'm going to do for all of the makeup products that I get in my beauty subscriptions. If you are extra interested in me trying out any of the products first, just let me know in the comments down below. All right, next I got from the brand Billion Dollar Beauty. This is the Forever Lash Mascara. I do love trying out mascaras. I've tried out a few other products from this brand before, so this will be another one I'll try out in that review series. Next, it's Sweet Street All Liquid Lipstick, Always and Forever, in the shade called 1993. I was born in 1993. I turn 30 this weekend, so this is kind of funny that that's what the name is called. It looks like a shade that could look nice, like a nice neutral shade. I can't even tell what brand this is, but I do love trying out liquid lipsticks, so I am happy to get this. Next, this is from the brand Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Collection. Clean Luxury Perfume Oil, Rose Bulgare Old Time. This is, I think, one of the products that I chose for my Boxycharm, but it is so small compared to what I was expecting. Let's see what it's like. Oh yeah, so it does have the roller on top. Ooh, very nice. It's pretty potent and very floral. Yeah, it smells like rose. Oh, I love this. Yay. It does smell like rose with a little bit of like a clean, fresh scent to it as well. very nice. I love changing out my perfumes, so I'm excited to have this in my collection. I'm also pretty picky with smells, but I really like this. Oh, that smells amazing. It's really like growing on me the more I smell it, and it's still staying very potent. Ooh, nice. Oh, another Il Makiage product. I got Il Makiage in my icon box this month as well. I love the brand Il Makiage. And this here is the Lip Service High Shine Lip Glaze in the shade PDA. Ooh. I love a lip gloss as well. Let's see what this color looks like. Ooh, looks like maybe like a nice neutral kind of lighter pink shade as well. Very nice packaging. Ooh. I like that I'm getting a lot of makeup now. Plus that perfume. I do like to get perfume almost as much as I like to get makeup. Ooh, this next product. I have not gotten this brand in Ipsy, at least not in a very long time. It's Touch in Soul. This is the No Problem Primer. Smooth and pore covering. Pores are one of my main skin concerns, and I love trying out primers. And this is a very popular, I feel like kind of cult following type primer. So I am very excited to try this one out. And then the final product that I got in the box here. This is from the brand Violet Voss. Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, let's see what this looks like. I love an eyeshadow palette. This is a good product to end on. Ooh, it looks beautiful. This is like a color story that I feel like was designed after my own heart with the neutral shades. It's got the essentials, the light, the shimmers, but then a lot of pinks and sparkles, which I also love. So I am very excited to try this out as well. Wow, yeah, this I would say is also a fantastic box this month. Wow, August Ipsy may have been one of the best months for Ipsy that I've gotten in a while. So I'm going to do a quick recap, but let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products, and let me know what you got in your Boxycharm this month and what you think about it. All right, so I got the Billion Dollar Beauty Mascara, the No Problem Primer, the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Powder, the Dermalect Revitalite Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector, the Il Makiage Lip Service High Shine Lip Glaze, the Gloss Modern Perfume Oil. Let's see if it's still potent. Oh yeah, still smells great. I got the Sweet Street Liquid Lipstick, and the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams Eyeshadow Palette. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.